So today I have for you people another Pokemon that's rather small, and it is this one. Uh, this one, Shelmet. Now, Shelmet is a pure bug type Pokemon that was introduced in Generation 5. And again, following the Clobbopus videos format, I won't be saying this at the start of every video, don't worry. But following the Clobbopus video format, I'll first be talking about its origins, and then why it is the way it is, and then finally its typing. Now, Clobbopus is a rather peculiar Pokemon, mainly because it has what I'm going to assume is 3 to 4 different inspirations. I will talk about all 4 of them right now. Looking at it right off the bat, it is obviously either a snail or a bivalve. And what a bivalve is rather simple to understand. It's mainly like a clam or a scallop or anything of that nature. And it becomes apparent because this is one valve and this is the other bivalve. And yes, it will close. The plushes can't close. But in the anime, it doesn't. And now, looking at it from the top view, it is also rather obvious what this is. It's a knight's helmet. And I can't tell you what type because I am not a master at knight's helmet recognition. But it is certainly something from the 17 to 1800s. And it is mainly obvious because there are 3 holes, or actually, there are 5 holes in total that are most likely going to be used for Shelmet to peek through and see what is around it while its shell is closed. And that is the same function of the holes in a knight's helmet to allow the knight to see what's going on without risking them getting an arrow to the eye, for example. Now, most of its Pokedex entries are, I'm going to say, pretty lame. Almost all of them talk about being bathed in electric energy with Carablast and them evolving, and that's basically it. But there is one Black's Pokedex entry that is rather interesting, and it says when attacked, it defends itself by closing the lid of its shell. It can spit a sticky, poisonous liquid. So that gives me leverage right there. It should be bug poison type, right? Wrong. Well, technically it could be, but I will talk about that later. Now, why does it look the way it is? What are its origins? Like I said, there are 4, and I talked about 2 of them. The third one is a scaly foot gastropod. And you might be saying, gastropod, but that's a snail. Yes, I know. Don't worry. But it is a certain type of snail that lives at the bottom of the deep ocean. Why are you talking about deep ocean animals? I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So, why am I saying that the scalyfoot gastropod is Shelmet? Well, there is a specific reason, and here it is. The scalyfoot gastropod has an iron-like shell, or more accurately, it uses Fe, iron, to build up parts of its shell. Ahem. So, that might have been part of it. Might have. And the fourth one is just giant snails in medieval mythology. I'm not lying. You can look this up for yourself. Because I guess some painters decided to be absolute goated trolls, and they started to depict knights just fighting massive snails instead of fighting dragons. Or maybe that was just commonplace. I don't know. It was weird. They were like knights fighting giant snails, so that could have been part of it. Now, typing. This thing should be bug steel type. Now, we already have a bug steel type. It is Fortress and maybe another one. No, I think we only have Fortress. But the thing should be bug steel type or bug poison type. I know there's so many bug poison types. Or maybe it could just be pure steel and pure poison type. Or pure steel or pure poison type. Or steel poison type like Varoom and Revavroom. Why am I saying that we should remove bug from it? Well, snails and bivalves aren't bugs. Because snails are gastropods, and gastropods live in the ocean, and scalyfoot gastropod. So if it is based off a scalyfoot gastropod, it should be water steel type. I don't think we have one of those yet, do we? So that would be pretty cool. Make it water steel type, guys. Alright, that's it for me. It's very late right now, so I will be heading to bed. See you.